Welcome to the Safe Conveyor. Today we've just finished building this 24-foot long conveyor. I wanted to show this on YouTube. It's 18-inch wide. It's made up of 3 sections. Each foot is 8 feet long. It has flights on it that create little compartments. These happen to be 6 inches apart. They have a 1-inch high flight and the guardrail is 1 inch, so you have these compartments. It's moving horizontally. You have it supported on the underside. You can see the belt doesn't sag. Joined by brackets, both sides. So when you get this, it would be shipped out as sections. They'd be joined together, and then there'll be deck extensions put inside. Another joint. And then finally, this is where the drive is. This is using our 120 watt drive. What I really wanted to show is that when you build a long line, you get this slingshot effect when you start the conveyor up after it's been turned off. And we wanted to show how the conveyor can be set with an acceleration control. This one happens to be set right now. So when it starts up, instead of it bang, trying to start right up, especially if it's loaded, it will start up slow. It'll ramp up. So here we go, we'll hit start. And as you can see, the belt is slowly, nicely accelerating, getting up to its speed. I'm running at a slow speed, which you might be useful if you were having operators putting things on here. Obviously, you could run it faster. This is a variable speed drive. You can run this system up to 125 feet per minute. So that's just about all I can tell you about this model. We're going to continue doing some more stuff to it. Thanks for watching.